This is the original jack that came with this camper trailer, and obviously this doesn't work any longer. So my project was on delay for like half a summer because I had no idea how I was going to replace this, find a new one, get one from an RV store, and I was just out of time, out of luck, out of whatever. But little did I know, there's such an easy solution for this. All you got to do is jump on the internet and you can buy one of these jacks that you can add to any camper trailer frame or any trailer frame whatsoever. This unit was about $130, and I found one that would be able to lift the heaviest weight. I think this is rated for like 1,500 pounds or 2,000 pounds, so hopefully that will be enough for my little tiny house on wheels. Now we're at the point where we have to figure out how we're going to connect these beams, which is going to be the foundation for the flooring and the whole body of the structure. How are we going to connect these beams to the metal frame? And at places in the frame, there are these pre-drilled holes for whatever they were used for in the first place. But I was going to get these pretty strong construction screws. Something like this, attaching the wood. I might have drilled a few extra and used a lot of these to hold this in place. So this has to be really strong. It has to really stay where we put it. We don't want it moving, tilting, or anything like this. But I didn't think that was actually going to be strong enough. So I'm still going to do that, but I'm also going to, as you see, there are two bigger holes here. So let's just examine what we have. So we have this beam in place. I'm also going to get another piece like this, and I'm going to adhere it. So I'm going to use some really big bolts, and I'm going to attach it to the metal frame through the wood. So look, that would very not be tilting at all and under any circumstance. And if you're finding this video fun and entertaining and a little bit educational as thrown in, then please like and subscribe to this channel. I'm the Glamp Man, and let's get back to the video. So I traced exactly where the holes are from the frame, so when I drill through the wood, it'll line up exactly. Now that's a drill bit. Now in between these beams we're going to have our insulation. So now's a good time to mark the depth of it, and then we're going to use a long stick like this, eventually attach it like this, and then the insulation foam is going to just come down on top and sit on it. Alright, so now all of the foundation frame is finished, and just because I added a lot of pieces of untreated wood, I'm just going to go in and paint those up real quick, along with these edges. Anything that's exposed wood, we'll just seal up with some, paint there. Alright, now we're going to run our brake lights. As you can see behind me, I made a point right down the middle where I put the wires. I've just looked at the instruction books. It actually shows the two wires going one side to the left, one side to the right, but I don't see why I can't just divide the wires here, one going that way, one going that way. So anyway, that part's not so important. This is the important part, how we're going to attach our brake lights to the trailer frame. This is going to go here. Couldn't go nowhere.